Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete YouTube videos on your phone. Let's get started. Open up YouTube application in your mobile device and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once signed in, tap on your profile icon. And just like that inside here, simply tap on your profile icon again. Tap on manage videos. And here you will be able to find all of your videos that you have uploaded on YouTube. Select the video that you want to delete. Tap on the three dot icon. Then tap on delete. Just like that, tap on delete again, and then that very video will get deleted. Once deleted, the video cannot be recovered, so make sure you saved a backup if needed. After that, verify it's gone. Head back to your channel page or YouTube Studio app to confirm the video has been removed. It should disappear from your uploads immediately. That's it. That is how you can delete a YouTube video from your phone, both on Android and iOS. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.